Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to hop on camera to show you how you could post ads using social media and showing you how you could drive traffic to your opportunity. Now, I'm using the Infinity Processing System, and this system allows you it shows you a blueprint on how you can advertise using attraction marketing and how you can be able to get those eyeballs to attract so people could come to you instead of you running to them. And that's what the Infinity Process System allows you to do. And I'm going to show you a little step-by-step uh, way how I promote this and how I use copy and paste ads, the ads that they have already in here in the back office, how you could use them and post them in Facebook groups, and how you can get those eyeballs on there. And I'm giving you a little touch up what you could do as well. So this is the back office of Infinity Process System. And by the way, it has 3 product levels that you can come in by. You got the $50, the $150, and the $300. And the $300 pro level gives you all the tools that you can use to promote Infinity Processing System. But it also allows you to promote any other business that you have as well. So this is why I love the Infinity Processing System. It helped me out tremendously. I learned a lot from it, and going by with the creator by the name of Adriana Villegas, she basically put her hard work into making this program, and it very much helped a lot of marketers to get off on a rough start. Because when I first started doing online marketing, I really didn't know how to attract. I really didn't know how to get people to come to me so I don't have to run to them. So that's what this system allows you to do, okay? And as you can see right here, I'm going to scroll all the way to where it says 200 pre-written ads. And this is how much you get when you join at the $300 level. You get 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads. And you can use those image ads to be able to post on, Facebook groups. If I scroll all the way down, these are different image ads that you can use that the system allows you to have, okay? So what I would normally do, I would take any one of these. They give you 200 of these. I would take any one of these, and I just take it, copy. Then I'll head over to Facebook, and I will go inside of one of my Facebook groups that you see on the left hand side. Okay, I will click on that, and I will paste that right here. Now I will put my own little spin to it, so you can check that out. I could put some emojis, as you can see. Okay, just to give my little spin to it, okay? And this will allow people to come to you. So once they see you on inside of the Facebook group, they will, gladly, check your opportunity out. And I would just hit post, I'm gonna copy this, because I'm gonna put actually, let's see here. And I just paste that right there. And if you want to, you could put a picture as well. So I'm going to go to one of my pictures. And I got a picture that I have saved. And remember when I was telling you about those 60 image ads? This is one of them right here. I could take this. Or you could use any picture just to post. And you just post like that. Just plain and simple like that. And it's very easy just copy and pasting these ads. And you can earn up to $300 a day just copy and pasting. You can see my ad posted right here with my emojis. I put a little spin to it. You can add to it. You can, take away from it. You can do your own little, you can present it your own way, just so you can be able to get that traffic. And I can show you here in the proof group that a lot of people is using the same thing. And they doing the same way, to gain traffic. This is the proof group. And this is where people actually show their results. You can see people, right here. Look, I can read this and say, hey, IPS team, let's welcome Patricia, Maria, and Clarette 𝗖cie, it's a long name, so I can't really pronounce it. Okay, to check out the group, let me know when you want to get started. So people, also bring people to check it out, even if they haven't joined yet. But they giving them, a heads up that, people in the Facebook group are here to answer questions that you need. It's very, very solid. They supporting cast is very solid since I joined this platform. You can see right here again, someone, this is my sponsor, James Farmer right here, he welcomed me into somebody, inside the proof group to check out some testimonials. And these testimonials is just to help you to understand that the system does work, and it's not too many opportunities that have a blueprint to help you, to guide you to promote on social media. So this is what it very much does. If you can see right here on the left hand side, it shows you a lot. It got a whole bunch of features. It teaches you how to do Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation. And this is for those who would like to do more and more YouTube videos. If you want to make that type of content, then you have TikTok marketing. You have so many ways that you could be able to market, to show your product, to show your brand, to show who you are as a person, how to gauge it to your audience. That's what the system really does work. So if you want to learn how to make up to $300 daily just by copy and pasting ads, the link in the description will be below in this video. Make sure you check that out. If this video done some good to you, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section if you have any questions or concerns to want to talk about this program and want to know a little bit more insight. Also, hit me up on Facebook where I can give you my step-by-step. If you would like to join with me, I will give you my step-by-step tutorials on some strategies on how I used to market. I got different other ways how I market this platform, and I got other opportunities to show you how you can draw traffic so you can get even more eyeballs to your opportunities. So that's what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you that it's possible. All you have to do is just copy and paste these ads just to get attraction so people can start coming to you instead of you going out to them. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit that noti bell for more upcoming videos, tips and tricks and strategies that I use on a day-to-day basis. All right, this is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.